Morning everyone, this is a short video on minor sentences. There's a link in the description to some other videos on other grammatical features, including simple, compound and complex sentences, as well as a link to the slides if you want them. Now we know from the other videos that a main clause is a phrase that makes complete sense by itself. It has a subject, which is the thing that does the verb, and it contains one main verb. Take the example, you should read more. It makes sense by itself. It's got a subject. And it's got a main verb. It ticks all three boxes, so it is known as a main clause. Now these three boxes are the things that a sentence needs to be classed as a sentence. Without one of these, it's not classed as a real sentence. Instead, we would call it a minor sentence. Now, minor sentences are fragments of sentences. They still convey meaning, but they might not have a subject, or they might not have a verb, or they might not have either. They're not super common in writing, but they're really common in speech or written dialogue. And I've seen quite a few tweets that use minor sentences too, because many tweets copy rules of speech rather than rules of writing. But that's a different topic altogether. So let's look at a few examples. How much does this cake cost? Too much. Here the sentence too much is a minor sentence. If it read, that cake costs too much, it would have a subject and a verb and would be a main clause. But it doesn't. It misses out both the subject and the verb. They're just implied. So too much is a minor sentence. There are many one-word or short sentences that will be classed as minor sentences too. Hello? Derek here. Yes? A fire? Really? Wow. Excellent. Okay, thanks. Bye. All of those are minor sentences. Minor sentences are used for a few different reasons. Much of the time they're used in a conversation or to make a character's speech more realistic, so you often find minor sentences in dialogue. Look at the example, 30 quid. Yeah, alright. Now a character is more likely to say that as opposed to, this item costs 30 quid? Yeah, that price is alright. Words and phrases such as wow, no way, OMG, holy smokes, or yuck, are all used to show surprise or shock or some other kind of emotion of the author or character. And sometimes they can be used to emphasize a point. Take the sentences, the night of the fire was the worst night of Derek's life. Absolutely horrific. The absolutely horrific part is emphasizing how bad it was, but it doesn't actually have a subject or a verb, so it's minor. Read through this list and see if you can identify which sentences are minor. Remember, a sentence needs all three boxes of our success criteria to be classed as a main clause. If it has any crosses, even just one, it's a minor sentence. Pause the video and give it a go. And we have the answers here. Give yourself a mark out of 10, and if you can, try to determine why you got an answer wrong so that you know not to make the same mistake next time. And here is this video's challenge. See if you can identify the minor sentences in this extract from Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you found it useful and want more videos like it, why not like and subscribe? I can't tell you how much it helps. Thanks for watching, and happy revising.